Alright, welcome guys, and this is a little tutorial on how to build a Python app in ChatGPT. So you're going to write, build me a Python application using a stylish graphical user interface that I can run on PyDroid on my Android phone. If you haven't already, go download PyDroid 3 from the Google Play Store. And this will only work with Android phones. I don't know if it'll work with iPhones or if they run Python or have PyDroid 3. Probably not, because it's an Android application. And now we have to tell it what the application will do. The application will be used to guess numbers that a user is thinking of using questions asked to the user, then hit send. We already have Tkinter because it comes with Python and PyDroid. Then it made the app, so you're going to go ahead and copy the code. You're going to go ahead over to PyDroid. You're going to start a new project. Going to paste in the project. We're going to save it as numberguess.py, and we're going to run it. Is your number 50? No. Is your number 75? No. My number's 32, by the way. So it's just going to keep asking you the number, and it seems like it only goes up to 100, then stops. So we have to go back to ChatGPT. The game should ask the user questions like higher or lower to narrow down the number, instead of asking specific numbers every time. Now it will update the code so the game will operate a little better. And it tells you how it did it and how it'll work. It's called like a higher lower game. So we'll copy the code, we'll go back to PyDroid. We will select the old code and just come over here and hit paste, so we can paste over it. And I want to hit save and then hit play. Number higher, lower, or equal, but it seems to be cut off the screen. So we're going to come back to ChatGPT and say we need the application text to fit on the screen. It's going off the screen. I can't even see the number. It's guessing. And then we'll see if it can fix it. Tells you what it's going to do and how it's going to do it. Rewrites the code for you. And if you're following along with this, congratulations. You've just made your first game on Python on an Android phone. We're going to come back, select all this. Just hit paste up here. Make sure not to hit copy like I've done a couple times. Hit save, hit play. Your number higher, lower, equal to, and it's all screwed up. Now it's all screwed up. So you go back to ChatGPT. You screwed it all up. It's got weird extra buttons now, and the text is still off the game screen. Let's see if it can fix it. And pretty much it says apologies and says it'll fix it, and sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. If you have the better version or premium of ChatGPT, it would probably work a couple times before this. But But you just keep tinkering with it and messing with it, and eventually you'll get it to work. So we got to slide up, paste the new version, save it, play it. There we go. Is your number, my number's 37, by the way. Is your number higher, lower, or equal to 50? Lower. Higher. Oh, equal. 3 questions. Boom. Done. Please add an exit button. And also make the GUI, graphical user interface, a little more stylish. Because we want our game to look good. We want our game to look good. Now it's writing. Alright. We're going to copy the code back over to PyDroid. It's a little repetitive, but it's fun if you like coding and like making games. Paste, save, play. Is your number higher, lower, or equal to 50? It's 92 this time. Yay, I guessed your number in 6 questions. And exit brings you back. Give the game a title at the top of the screen in cool colored font. Now it's going to edit it and make the title at the top of the screen a cooler colored font. Well, cooler font, that's also colored. So we're going to copy this over. Select like last time. Bring it all up. Select it all. Paste. Save. Play. Guess my number in red font. It's 62 this time. Whoa! Got it in 3 questions. And that's it. You just made your first game using ChatGPT and Python. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more of these cool ChatGPT tutorials.